It was a quiet summer afternoon in a small American town backyard. High in the old oak tree, a colorful parrot sat trapped and afraid. 8-year-old Jake spotted the bird and knew it needed help. He called out, hoping his voice would coax it down. But then, something magical happened. An elephant stepped into the yard. The gentle giant walked right to the tree, eyes fixed on the parrot above. With slow, careful grace, the elephant reached out its trunk toward the frightened bird. The parrot trusted the gesture and landed softly on the elephant's back. And that's how a bird, and an elephant became the most unlikely friends.